magical jungle book. Let's see what animals we can find. This is a lion. It says roar. Milo the lion. He says roar. This is a white rabbit. Hop, hop. It hops in the field. And it loves to eat carrot. This is a duck. Quack, quack, quack. I am a duck. This is a sheep. Ba, ba. This sheep is white. A white sheep. Ba, ba. That's what a sheep makes. And it's the color white and it eats the grass. C. Cow. Moo. Moo. It's a black and white cow. A cow gives milk and it eats grass like a sheep. It also has horns. Now our next one is a horse. Nah, nah. That's what a horse makes. A horse can be a different colors, but mostly brown and white is the original color of a horse. There's also a black horse. This is a dog. Woof, woof. A dog says woof. You can keep it as a pet. Careful not to scratch. Woof, woof. It's coming at you to say subscribe. Cat. But now this is an elephant. An elephant has a long trunk and this is a tiger. It says grrr. It is happy that you are subscribing and watching the video. Brr. Let's go to the next one. Monkey. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Ha, 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 ha. This monkey is so funny. A lion again. But hey, lion, this is not your spot. But you can say roar and move on to the next one. Roar. Ha ha ha. Oh, lion, you are so funny. But you still have to go to your place so the others can also do their job. Oh well, now. Oh well. Now these animals will go back in the book because they are going back to the jungle book. And like that, you guys also have to subscribe. So, did you guys have fun? If you did, then subscribe and like and share.